Einer fängt Samstag an, erst.
听讲德国人即马较爱迄种家己烘焙、家己选豆啊的咖啡店。
它这个是做手冲咖啡，它只不给你加奶，只要黑咖啡的，它给你弄一壶，然后你们3个人一起选，然后我慢慢让
好好。
这样一直叫。
是手冲的哦。
Where are you guys from? Nice. And you're here for?
台湾现在也蛮多像这种的，手冲的啊，冲一下停一下，冲一下停一下。
因为都要用很好的茶壶啊什么的。
对。
这位是这间店泡咖啡的大师，今晚要来听伊讲安怎泡的咖啡才会好食啦。
That's our Honduras. So for me, it's got like a base notes chocolate, plum, almost like those like stone fruits as well. Just trying to watch what I'm doing. Any hand brewed coffee, you really want to allow it to sit for a moment. As it cools, it gains a lot of sweetness. The sweetness that comes out the body really. Trying to do too many things at once. It's been a long day. God, already don't know what I'm saying. But yeah, so that's the Los Churros from Honduras, and this one, like for me, I get like plum. As it cools, more chocolate notes, and then it has a really nice acidity that rounds it out at the end. But definitely let it cool down, and then it's interesting to watch how the coffee changes all the way down to room temperature. You'll notice that as it cools, the sweetness is increased. That's due to obviously the fact that it's cooling. There's more like sensory for sweetness as the drink gets colder, and then the acidity tends to like disappear, and it comes into a nice rounded body all the way down to room temperature, but it becomes quite thick. And then this one here is your El Durazno, the Guatemalan. This one's very interesting because it's actually a washed coffee, but it has this really nice like funkiness that natural coffee often has. And then at the end of it, so it's got really nice like clean flavors, but really nice body. So I get like peach and like nectarine, and then all the way down as it cools like toffee and caramel. So it's got a really nice wide flavor spectrum. Once again, also too, as it cools, then it's going to become like more rich, more filling. Do we need some more? Do you need some more cups? Or unfortunately, I don't have any cue cards for these guys. Do you need some more cups or? Oh, okay, perfect. They're coming on that side. That's yours, and then you've got the 3 here. Awesome. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right.
Thank you。
阿比啉完以后，很发现这所在
台湾南投的
四季春
四季春的茶，哎呦，台湾卖到这里来了，不得了。